Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am here at the Disneyland Resort and Disneyland Park inside Mickey's ToonTown, and I have a huge news to show you right now. And let me show you right now what's going on here in ToonTown. Construction walls have appeared over here. They have closed off some of the ToonTown area, and it is stretching big time. Stretches all the way near the exit of Roger Rabbit. There you can see, you can hear the train whistle in the background. And the walls stretch all the way to City Hall here in ToonTown. My oh my. What a terrific scene. And right behind there is the show building for the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway attraction. Coming to Disneyland Park in 2023. So excited for it. And as for here in ToonTown, the transformation for the inside entrance to the new attraction is slowly beginning as the areas are walled off with construction walls. ToonTown is going to get a major upgrade. And here's a little sign, you can barely see it with the trees in the way. But let me get a little closer for you guys. There's a better view. Trying to hide the construction from us of what they're doing. But this is the brand new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway show building behind here, under construction. Cannot wait to ride this attraction here in Disneyland in 2023. And here's Mickey in front of his house, socially distancing from us, walking around, getting his mail.
Man, look at all that mail you have, Mickey. That's so much mail.
Now, as far as the show building is concerned, what they may do is try to hide it and construct new ToonTown hills to place over the building. But I will keep you guys updated as this construction process of this new ride happens, and it is gonna be amazing when it opens in 2023. Hopefully we'll get an opening date next September at the D23 Expo at the Anaheim Convention Center, and I will be there. I'm planning to be there, and hopefully we will have some sort of announcement of when this brand new attraction will open up in the year 2023. One last look at the construction from inside ToonTown. Anyways, that does it for this video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up like. And I'll see you guys real soon.